बेहतरीन शतक लगाया यहाँ पे यूसुफ ने और शुरू से दबाव डाल के रखा। बैक फुट पे बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग नजर आए, बॉटम हैंड का काफी अच्छा प्रयोग किया और जब भी गेंद को शॉट देखा पूरा लाभ उठाया। जैसे जैसे इनिंग्स को आगे बढ़ा तो उतना कॉन्फिडेंस नजर आया आपको, शानदार शॉट्स और ऐसा लगा कि एक सोच है, वो सोच थी कि जो रन गति है, जो औसत है, उसको मेंटेन करना है और उसी अंदाज में आगे बढ़ते रहे यूसुफ और कुछ बड़े छक्के भी लगाए और कुल मिला के बहुत ही जबरदस्त बल्लेबाजी। अपने कप्तान जिशू का बहुत अच्छा साथ दिया और कुल मिला के अंत तक वो साझेदारी नाबाद रही और कुल मिला के कहना होगा कुछ जीवन दान भी मिले और एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन एफर्ट और दूसरा शतक इस सीजन का और इतिहास सीजन की बात करें तो 7वां शतक। देखिए कप्तान जिशू कितने खुश गले लगते हुए यूसुफ के, जानते हैं इस शतक का महत्व।
Good evening, gentlemen. We have had another good game. More than 800 runs we've seen scored today, and this shows how true and good this wicket was. Unfortunately, two teams had to lose, but according to me, there were no losers today. It's a game of cricket, and I think everybody is victorious today. But I've got a heavy-duty presentation party. I must introduce them before we proceed for the awards. So we've got two special performance awards. We're going to start with these awards first. First of them is from Zaira Diamonds, and it goes to Mr. Bubble Rai. Be presented by Zaira Diamonds. And second award in this category is by Ease My Trip. It's an all-paid trip to Dubai. It goes to Navraj Hans. All right, let's get the special categories going. Carbon Kamal Catch will be given by Mr. Balram Garg, and it goes to Mr. Bubble Rai again.
Bubble Rai.
All right, the next one is Boost Energetic Player of the Match. That'll be given by Mr. Bonnie Kapoor, and it goes to Mr. Harmeet Singh. All right, Hardy Sandhu. I think he has changed the... I think with the cameo, he has taken the award, snatched it from Harmeet. I think few IPL scouts are looking for you. All right, let's move on to the big one. Parlay Man of the Match Award, and will be given by Ayushman Khurana. And there are no guesses. A match-winning 100 by Yusuf. Well, at one point, nobody thought that this game will be going to the wire, but eventually Punjab the Sher ended up with 200 runs as well. That shows that there was life in the match, and you can never quit in a game of cricket. You never know how things change. It might look impossible, but it's never improbable. So before we wind up, I would like to invite the winning captain, Jishu, to come and have a word with me. Well done, Jishu. A very professional, all-rounded display, especially by you today. I've heard some IPL teams are looking for you.
It's not for me, it's for Yusuf, actually.
No, some wickets, some runs, and a fantastic catch. You know, you've got the eye.
Thank God I could catch the catch because half of my team players need to, again, last match also I said the same thing. We have to practice fielding properly. So I'm a little disappointed with the fielding today.
So when Hardy was at it in the end, did you think it might just change? Were you worried at all at any given point?
No, by that time, you know, they needed a huge score. If they scored 36 runs per over also, they couldn't have reached it. But hats off to him. He really scored few runs in just, I think, 10, 12 balls. I think it's great.
It took you also a couple of seasons to get your bearings in this tournament, and Punjab the Sher is the first season. What do you have to say? What do you think about the future?
It's a matter of T20, you know. There's no strategy. Just see the ball, hit the ball. After 5 years, we have gone to semi.